presents the IPL Wars!
Welcome to Shout It Stupid.
We're here with the second edition of IPL Wars. Welcome. I am Yashwant Mundra. I'm a filmmaker and a cricket addict and a cricket lover. My Twitter handle is @YashinRealLife. You can follow me there and ask me anything you like.
I'm Rakesh Dhotre. I'm a media professional. I play cricket. I live cricket. I eat cricket. And tonight I'm going to have a boxing match with him.
Yeah, he's gonna try. He's gonna try and beat me at this. I'm a Chennai Super Kings fan, and he's a Kings 11 fan. So this should be rather one-sided, but we'll give it a shot anyway, right?
Don't give up before we start.
Okay, so I have a question for you, which is related to the IPL in general.
Okay.
You think that spreading the home games for certain teams all across the country is helping in building the brand of the team, or you think that it sort of takes away from things and drowns the brand of the company of the cricket team in that particular city, in the home city?
Well, personally, I think that IPL as a format is pitted nearly against one region against the other, and the spectacle grows. The event grows with consistency of a team performing in its own backyard. The format requires this adan pradan of venues, and which I'm okay with. But I think Punjab should play in Mohali, Mumbai should play in Wankhede, and it helps. It helps to strengthen the brand. Okay. For the rest, I think so. You have your Ranji tournaments, you have other BCCI related tournaments, where the game can spread. But as far as this goes, I think there is a core audience sitting in each and every state, which should have the advantage of enjoying its team.
Fair enough. I slightly disagree with you. While I agree with you in the fact that there should be a home ground and the home team should play there, I think it's a good thing to give away 4 games to smaller towns and cities to encourage the game there. For example, a Chennai Super Kings based out of the Chepauk Stadium in Chennai, Lions Den, leaving the Lions Den to go and play in a place like, say, Ranchi, where they do. I think that's a damn good idea to spread the game there.
Lions adopted Den.
Lions adopted Den, you're true. But when it comes to matches being played in Visakhapatnam or being played in Ahmedabad or in Dharamshala, which is such a lovely place to play cricket, I think it's a good idea for the game to travel to these little places, some little, some not so little, and where the viewers there, the audience there gets to go to the cricket stadium and see this happen. You're saying that you can go watch Ranji or watch Irani Trophy or watch something like that, but the kind of brand value that an IPL has, they've got those our Indian style, and then you've got
the masala.
Exactly. That is unique to the IPL. It doesn't exist in any other cricketing tournament. So I think it's a good thing that these games are going out and that the game is spreading and awareness is spreading. I mean, we're pretty aware of our cricket in general in India, but I think it's a good thing for people to go and watch the sport in these little cities.
Say 20 years back, when you were very little, I met Vivian Richards, okay? Trust me, I met Vivian Richards. I had the privilege of speaking to him, and he said, you know why India and Indian cricket is growing? Because the moment I step out of any car or any office building, 10 blocks away I see kids playing. So there's no dearth of
exactly,
and
I think that this is just adding to that.
Maybe.
Yeah. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us, keep getting our updates, and give us your feedback. And let us know what you think. And until next time, goodbye.
A lassi to Punjab 11's victory on Saturday. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.